Meaning of DVD burner.
DVD burner.
DVD burner.
DVD burner.
DVD burner. A DVD burner is a device that can write data onto a blank DVD disc. It uses a laser to physically burn the data into the surface of the disc, creating a permanent and read-only copy. This allows users to create their own DVDs with movies, music, or other data for backup or distribution purposes. The process of burning a DVD typically involves selecting the files to be burned, choosing the burning speed and format, and waiting for the burning process to complete. Once finished, the DVD can be played on any compatible DVD player or computer.